So hey everyone, today we're gonna solve LeetCode 874 question, which is called walking robot simulation. So we have given a kind of plane, a 2D plane, like this, and we have initial point at 0, comma 0, and we have given some points in the form of commands, and we have given some obstacles. So commands represent like the points, which is uh, which also says the directions, So let's suppose we'll start the example later onward. Just first, you should know like what we are gonna do here. So we have to find the kind of Euclidean distance between the 2 points, like something using the Pythagoras theorem. Like let's suppose this is we have base, this is we have hypotenuse, and this is we have, let's suppose, perpendicular. Just let you don't need to like it may be wrong, just suppose like so we have base square is equal to hypotenuse square plus perpendicular square, then we will get some value which is equivalent to b. So something like that you have to return. And now how these points have made, we will look into the example. So before that, try to solve we will try to know what the question says. A robot on an infinite XY plane start at point 0, comma 0 facing north. The robot can receive a sequence of these three possible type of commands. So -2 turns left 90 degree. Okay. So we have given -2 which says turn 90 degree, turn left. Okay. So turn left. So -1 which says turn right. Okay. So ahead we have k value which is from 1 to 9. Some of the grade square are obstacle. The ith obstacle is at grid point. Obstacle of I equal to x of I, y of I. If the robot runs into an obstacle, then it will instead stay in its current location and move on the next one. So we have to return the maximum Euclidean distance that the robot ever gets from the origin square. So if the distance is 5, return 25. So we know that how we can get is using the Pythagoras theorem. So we have given north means plus y direction, east means plus x direction, south means minus y direction, west means minus x direction, and there can be obstacle in 0, comma 0. So let's jump into the example. So we have example which is we have given commands 4, -1, and 3. So let's see here. So initially we have 0, comma 0. Now it's first point is 4. It means that this is let's suppose this is x and this is y. So 4. So initially the direction is upward on the north side. Okay. So this is north, as you know, east, west, north, and south. So we have go for 4 for the first time. So this is 0, comma 4, I guess. Yeah. Sorry, 4, comma 0. This is 4, comma 0, and now it says -1. So -1, word -1 replace, we have to go 90 degree, 90 degree, I think, right. Yeah, yeah, right. So we have to go 90 degree right. Okay. So we go 90 degree right. Now, how much we have to go right? Okay. So it's just that we have pointed to the right 90 degree. So we have to go at we have to go till 3. So this will become 4, comma 3. Now from 0, 0 to 4, comma 3, we have to find this distance. So this is 0, comma 4, 3, comma 4, and how we can find this distance? 3 is we have 3, 4, and we have these 3. So we have kind of hypotenuse square is equal to, let's suppose this hypotenuse, sorry, perpendicular. This is perpendicular, I guess. Yeah. No, yeah. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse square is equal to b square plus perpendicular square. So we will be getting h equal to 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 25. So h is equal to 25. So we will be returning just 25. We will take, no, we will not put square here. Yeah, h, just h. So for next example, we can see here like what it says. We have, let's suppose we have plane initially 0, comma 0 pointed towards north. So first 4. Okay. So 4, 0, comma 4. So now the second is -1. Okay. Now it is pointing to the east side. Okay. So pointing to the east side because -1 means we have to point to right 90 degree. So yeah, -1. So we are pointing to the east side. Now we are getting 4. Okay. So it will go till 4, comma 4. Yeah, 4, comma 4. So as you can see, okay, Yeah, turn right, then move east 1 unit and get blocked by the obstacle. Okay, we have block obstacle at 2 comma 4. Okay, so I will tell you why I have removed 4 comma 4. So there is obstacle called 2 comma 4, and we have to go at 4 comma 4. See, these are kind of colliding, so we can't go ahead of this. 2 comma at 2 comma 4 we have obstacle and we have to go at 4 comma 4, so we will just decrement one one from the x-axis. Okay, so sorry, y-axis, yeah. So we will go not from 4 comma 4, we have obstacle at 2 comma 4, so we will go to 2 comma 1, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, yeah. From 2 1 will be subtracted, so we will go 1 comma 4. So we have gone 1 comma 4, so we have also, yeah, make diagram 1 comma 4, because at 2 comma 4 we have obstacle. And now then we have minus 2, so we have direction this. Now minus 2 says this, so now we'll go upward side. Now upward side we have pointed, now we have to go till 4. Okay, so till 4 again. This is 4, this is 4. Now till 4, yeah. So we'll be adding at 1 4, we will be adding 4, so we will get 1 comma 8 till here, 1 comma 8. So this is, we have made some kind of path. Now we will be calculating deviation distance. Here we will apply some Pythagoras theorem. So we'll be getting kind of 1 square plus 8 square is equal to hypotenuse, which is equal to 65. We'll be getting unit away. Similarly for this example. So let's jump into the solution. We have our rotation function. Okay, let's change the color. We have routing system where we are passing commands in the form vector, and in the form vector we are passing obstacles. Now we have defined, yeah, here we are defining the direction, like direction, defining the possible direction the robot can face. Okay, so direction 0 indicates north, direction 1 indicates direction 1. Okay, so direction 0 indicates north, direction 1 indicates like, yeah, east. And direction we have 2 indicates south, direction 3 indicates we have west. Okay, so these are some points. So we are declaring an unordered set, which is used to store obstacle as a string in the format x comma y, and then we will be iterating the obstacles, and then initializing the robot's starting position at x comma y and its initial direction, like north. This is initial direction at north, so 0, yeah, north. So we are now here, what we are doing, we are processing each command in the command vectors. So we have if c equal 1, so we will be like turning right clockwise, updating direction by incrementing and using modulo 4. Okay, so here we are turning left counterclockwise, so updating the direction by decrementing and using modulo 4. Now in else condition we have like, we are using while loop, so we are moving forward c step in the current direction. Okay, c step, just yeah, c steps, mm, c steps, c steps in the current direction, okay. Now then we have kind of here we are calculating the next x position, and here we are calculating the next y position, and then we are checking if the next position is an obstacle. So if it is an obstacle, then we are kind of like stopping move if there is an obstacle, and updating the robot's position here, updating the robot's position, and like in the end we are calculating the maximum distance squared from the origin, and after that we are returning the maximum distance squared from the origin after processing all the commands, like all the commands, yeah. So this is the solution, hope you like it.